Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This NYX brow pencil has been everything for me on my daily makeup routine. It has super tiny little design that I can make little hair strokes like, and it makes it look like supernatural eyebrows, especially on those little areas where I have thin hair and I can fill them up really easily. And I love that the end result is natural eyebrows. To me, are very important for a makeup look. I have to have them on point, and this pencil is it for me. I love the finished product. I like that it stays there. It doesn't transfer. As you can see, I just swipe it with my finger and it doesn't transfer any of the color. I can have the smallest strokes and they look like little hairs, or I can make it look a wider stroke. And that's my point of view.